Hello my dear children, all you are welcome in your today's maths class. As we are doing the unit graph, here is your worksheet 2. Worksheet 1 we have done already. So see the worksheet 2. Here is your first question. Following table gives the temperature at 12 noon on 7 successive days in Delhi, right? Dear children, you have to given here the temperature of 7 days. We have to draw a graph for these 7 days temperature. Okay, plot a graph to show this information. Okay, this is the information we have to given and we have to plot a graph about this information, right? So here is your, first of all, take x-axis as your horizontal lines, x-axis, and vertical lines, that is your y-axis, and here is your horizon. So dear children, here along x-axis we are taking days, number of days along x-axis as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? And on the y-axis we have to take the temperature in degree Celsius, right? So dear children, I am going to show here a kink. Why I have shown a kink here? Because see here, first of all, here is from origin there is 1, 2, 3, means one big box, small 10 small division equals to 1. But here I am going to take the difference of this one big box along this y-axis 12, 14, 16, but directly I am going to take here 0 to 10, starting from origin. Directly I have take one big box equal to 10, not equals to difference of 2. Okay, so if I am going to take here directly 10, one big box equal to 10, so I need to take here kink. Okay, after that there is a difference of 2, okay, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20, 22, right? Dear children, here the first day temperature is on first day, that is along x-axis there is number of days. So 1 for first day there is the temperature of 14 degrees Celsius. So I have drawn here on 1 along x-axis and I need to take 14 degrees Celsius along y-axis. So here I have written point A. The coordinate is 1, 14, right? See the next coordinate, the temperature on the second day, that is 18 degrees Celsius. It is 18 degrees Celsius on the second day. So draw it like that. The coordinate I have written B2, 18. Similarly, I have taken for the third day, for the fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, and in the last for the seventh day there is 17 degree temperature. In the middle of, see here, in the mid of 16 and 80 there is 17. So on the seventh day there is 17 degree Celsius temperature. I have written here the alphabet, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? Join these coordinates properly. So this is a graph about this given information related to the temperature of the 7 days. Okay, see the next one. Okay, dear children, see the next question. The quantity of petrol filled in a bike and the cost of petrol are given in the following table. Here is the liter of petrol filled, right? And here is your cost of petrol, that is for 5 liter petrol cost is 250, then for 8 it is 400. This is the information we have to given. So draw a graph to show this information. So let's draw a graph for this info. Once again, here is your origin and take x-axis, horizontal lines. This is my x-axis and this is your y-axis along vertical axis. We can say it as vertical lines, right? This is the origin. Okay, this is my origin and this is the vertical lines, that is called the y-axis. Okay, see here now for the 5 liter petrols. See on the along x-axis I have taken here the liters of petrol. Okay, this is the quantity of petrol and here is the cost of petrol along y-axis I have taken. Okay, along y-axis we are going to take cost of petrol. So for 5, see here, but about the 5 I have taken here the points 2, 4, 6. This is the quantity of petrol. One big box I have taken equals to the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16, and along y-axis I have taken as cost, that is 100 rupees 200, difference of 100 I have taken. Okay, so now here the 5 liter petrol's cost. See, where is our 5? In the mid of 4 and 6. Where is my 5 small division completed? It is 5. So 5 liter petrol cost is rupees 250. Where is 250? It is here. 250 in the mid of 200 and 300, right? So next, 8 liter petrol cost is 400. Along x-axis I have to take 8 and along y-axis I have to take 400, right? Next, for 10 it is the cost of 500. So take here 500 along y-axis and 10 I have to take x along x-axis. Next, I have written here the alphabets A for the coordinates this 5 and 250, then B, then C, then D. In the last, 15 liter petrol. Here is my 15 liter petrol. The cost is 750 rupees. Here is my 750. Take along y-axis, that is 750. Write the coordinate D, that is 15 and 750. So in this way, dear children, you can plot the graph, okay, for this particular information. Is it okay, beta? So thank you. Have a good day.